Hey there, I'm so excited. I just got my Noble and Bright diffuser shade, and I'm just gonna show you how to top up the diffuser and turn it on, and how you can change the shade in there. Sorry, there's a bit of noise around the place today, but anyway, I'm gonna flick this around and I'll show you. So this is the premium diffuser, and I've just topped up the water. This is the top of it. So this will go on upside down, but I've got water in here. If you see down here, there's like a little line down in there. So I've got the water topped up to that line, and all you do is you let the water out into the diffuser, and that gives you, it tops it up to the exact amount. I haven't cleaned the diffuser out, sorry. It tops it up to the exact amount that it's supposed to be. There's a line in here. Hang on. And I also got the mahogany and oak oil today, and it's not something I would normally go for because I'm not a woodsy type person, but it's really nice. I tried it at one of my Scentsy friends' places, and it's really pretty. So pop when it gets out, pop a few. I don't know, you're supposed to only use like 4 or 5 drops, but I go nuts with them. So I'm going to close that up, and put the shade on. First up, I'm going to show you I think it's called Starburst shade. So the shade, the light has a few different settings. So the first setting I'm going to show you is the colourful setting. So you hold your little light button down. Oh, hang on, this is the button for the diffuser to actually start diffusing stuff. So press it once and it starts diffusing. And if you press it twice, it starts diffusing even more. Anyway, so if you hold this button down, it'll turn it on. Ooh, it'll turn it on, and it will slowly start going through all the different colours of the diffuser. And you can actually press the button, like each press it changes it to a different colour so that it stays on that colour. So you'll see it go through. I'll just wait for a little bit so you can see, and then in a sec we'll change it over to the Noble and Bright diffuser shade, because I saw it at Scentsy family reunion in July, and it was just gorgeous. So let's go through these colours until we get done, and then I'll show you as well. You can actually change it to just normal light, and then a duller light, and then it also has a flickering light, so it looks like a candle almost. Hang on a sec. I think we might be nearly back to the start. We're getting there. So the cool thing about the premium diffusers is that you can change your shade. You don't have to buy a whole new diffuser. You can just change your shade over. Or if you're like putting it in a different section of your house or whatever else, you can change that shade over. I'm just going to change that, so that's just changed it to the different colours that you can change it to. So I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to just press it once, and that's the normal colour. Press it again, it goes to a duller brightness, and then if you press it again, you'll see it start to flicker, like it's almost like it's a candle. So let's take that off. Let's change it out for the Noble and Bright. So this is the Noble and Bright, and this is on flickering still, so that's on the higher, like the brightest one, the middle brightness, and the flicker. And then I'm going to turn it off, and we'll hold it down, and that is going to scroll through the different colours, but I'm going to keep pressing the button to get through the different colours quicker. So that's the next colour. That's the next one. The next one. Isn't it beautiful, this diffuser shade? And I think we're back to the start. Oh, that's the star there. Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, that's the how you use the diffuser in the shades. Hope you have a great arvo. Bye.